Understanding, size it up, a phrase unpacked. Hello everyone, today we're diving into a common English phrase, size it up. It's all about assessment and evaluation. Let's break it down and see how it's used in everyday language. When we say, size it up, we're talking about assessing a situation or object carefully before making a decision. It's like measuring something not with a ruler, but with your eyes and mind. You might hear someone say they need to size up a job opportunity, which means they are considering all aspects before deciding. The phrase, size it up, can trace its roots back to tailoring, where tailors would literally measure or size up a person to make a suit that fits perfectly. Over time, it has evolved to mean evaluating any situation to make a tailor-fit decision. Let's put size it up into context with some examples. In business, let's size up the competition before we launch our marketing campaign. In personal decisions, I'm sizing up the benefits of moving to a new city. In sports, the team took a moment to size up their opponent's strategy during the timeout. Now, it's your turn to try. When you're facing a new challenge, think about how you can size it up. Consider what factors are important, weigh your options, and then make your decision. It's a powerful tool for critical thinking. And that's a wrap on Size It Up. Hopefully, you now feel more comfortable using this phrase in English conversations. Evaluate, consider, and go forth confidently. Catch you in the next video.